Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys need a quick protective style for your natural hair? Stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. All right, let's get right into it, you guys. My hair is washed, conditioned, and stretched. These parts are not as straight, so I'm going to straighten them as we go. You guys got this hair from my local beauty supply store. You can get actually this twisted up, springy Afro Twist hair from anywhere, so check it out. I got it in 24 inches. Why? Because I wanted it to be just right on my shoulders, you know, my shoulder length, because my natural hair is like shoulder length, so I want it to be like natural. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. You guys, I'm using this conditioner just to help my hair from breakage or anything like that. And I always got to use my Shine and Gem Magic Fingers on my edges when I'm doing twists or braids. For these twists, I didn't want them to be too big or too small. I was going for like a medium look. How to twist. As starting off these twists, I'm starting as if I was braiding a regular box braid. Just start braiding, braid till you know that the hair is secure in your hair. And then we're going to split our natural hair into two, and then we're going to twist down. Make sure you're twisting nice and tight and twisting each twist into a twist. And then we're going to twist all the way down. Make sure they're nice and tight, you guys, and add magic fingers as you're going. After each twist, I like to cut the edges off, just because I don't want to do it at the end and then miss one. So go ahead and do them now as you are, once you finish each twist. Again, you guys, I would like to show you each and every angle on how I'm doing each twist. You know, there's some videos to where you pop on and the next thing you know, half of their head is did. I like to do the back, the middle, the top, and the front, just to show you where my arms and my fingers are. All right, let me get to work and I'm going to talk to you in a minute. Sweethearts, another thing when doing the top of your hair and trying to make sure your hair is shoulder length, make sure when you're twisting, you're going to twist from the back, not, twist towards the back, not from the side. As you can see, when I'm twisting right here, I'm going to put the hair and measure it from the back, not from the side, because that's how it's going to fall. It's going to fall to the back, not to the side. As you know, you guys, I'm always using my edge control on my edges ahead of time. I just like to do it. I think it's just smart to do it that way. You guys, when you are doing your hair in the front, please do not make this too tight. Please be as gentle as possible, but have a grip. So just be careful on making your hair too tight, because you do want your edges and you do not want to pull them out. Here, I'm going to show you a technique that I think you should try. It's called tucking. Tucking your natural hair in between the synthetic hair or whatever hair you're using. Tuck your hair into it, so whatever you're doing with it, either twisting or braiding it, you will not be able to see your natural hair, which is from flyaways or anything like that. So I think tucking is a good technique for this hairstyle. And this is another reason why I'm clipping as well. If you do clip some of your hair, it's all good because your hair needs a little clip anyway. Get those clips and clip them as much as possible because the more you clip your hair, the more your hair will grow. Okay, I am putting this oil in, this anti-itch oil, my sweethearts. It does wonders. Please give it a try. I am not the best edger, but this edge control, this instant control, does my edges wonderfully. So you should check this out as well. And these are the final results, my sweethearts. Ooh, I am loving how it is just, it looks so natural. It looks like my hair. It doesn't look like I added anything to it. It's light, you guys. I love how it just sits on my shoulders. You guys, you can do any hairstyle with this. Please, if you like this, don't forget to like it, comment, share, please subscribe. I love you guys, even if I don't know you. I'll see you next time.